How to transfer Chase points to Southwest Airlines. To transfer Chase points to Southwest Airlines, you will need to active Southwest Rapid Reward account and a Chase Ultimate Reward earning credit. Now, how you can do so? First of all, create a Southwest Rapid Reward account, right? Which is here. Go to this official website, click on Rapid Reward, and then here just go and click on Sign Up. Now, once you just go and click on Sign Up here, you will get this option of Rapid Record. So here you have to enter all this information, right? And here then once I fill up, then just go and click on create an account. Now log in into Chase travel website, right? So here you have to log in into your Chase travel website. If you don't know how to open it up, just go and look for Chase, and here you will get this option of ultimate rewards, right? Open it up, navigate to the transfer points, click on travel menu and select transfer points. Click the travel menu and select travel points to partners. Now choose Southwest Airlines from the list of partners. Select Southwest Airlines and click transfer points. Provide your Southwest Rapid Reward account number and click next. Ensure the account is under the same name as a Chase account. Enter the number of points you wish to transfer is increments of 1000 and click next. After confirming your points transfer details, click submit. Once the points are in your account, you can book travel through the Southwest Airlines website or mobile app or by calling customer service as which is given on your screen. Thanks for watching this video.